I have been creating contents for YouTube and other social media for over 10 years. Every day I need to make 2 or 3 videos. Sometimes it's hard to keep up. And that's when AI avatars help me. With AIstudios.com, I create my own avatar and it makes my work much faster. Now I will show you how to do it. Let's get started. So guys, welcome back, and first one, let me show official website AIstudios.com, and we can see all features, news, updates, and we can see what we can do with AI Studios. And this product by Deep Brain AI. And for try this FX, let's click Get Started button. So guys, we have dashboard with a huge features. For example, we can use video generator for create AI videos, also custom avatars, photo avatars, and AI dubbing. This feature perfect choice for YouTubers like me. And product avatar. If you have product and if you want to sell on online, you can use this product. This is perfect way for you. And also product video, you can add your product on videos. Also, we can use these templates for inspiration, and we can see all examples here. So today we will focus to 3 features: custom avatars, product avatar, and AI dubbing. First, let's open custom avatar, because I will use my own image. Let's click here. So we have information tutorial. We can watch this tutorial before using this feature. And then click this create avatar button. So guys, after enable webcam, we can upload image or we can start recording. Let's click start. And now I will read this text. Now when it comes to choosing a travel destination, okay, so avatar information, let's add here name Nijat and mail, checklist, your video has ample lighting. Okay, let's check all checkbox after reading this, and signature. Let's write here like this and confirm my video. So here we go. We have custom avatar here, and also can use other custom avatars and AI avatars. We can see all examples. There are huge character versions, also AI generate avatars. We can use directly like this. So now let's add script for this avatar. Go to click this icon, AI script assistant, and let's write here topic. I will try to how to become pro motion designer and click generate. Okay, our text is ready. Welcome. Today we will explore how to become professional motion designer. That's good. And we can click generate for another versions, or we can click apply. This text works for me, and click apply. So in this time we can click play for see results. Okay, here we go. Let's click play.
Welcome. Today we will explore how to become a professional motion designer.
Nice, very good. My voice clone is down. And now let's create another scenes. Let's click play button for add scene 2. Again, go to AI assistant and right here how to use video editing softwares and generate. Okay, and click apply. And now let's click again play.
Welcome.
Okay.
Today we will cover the basics of using
Our scene 2 voiceover is ready. Okay, also we can create another scenes with this button, but I will use only 2 scenes. So let me show other features. We can use templates here. We can use already templates. Also we can see categories, or we can search, and text. We can add text on the video, or we can add subtitle, or add to body text, and captions. We can generate captions automatically, or we can upload here. And media. About the video topic, we can add images from stock sites like an Pixabay or Shutterstock, or we can add videos like this. We can write here video editing, and we can add all these elements on our video. And next item, audios. We can add audios from Deep Brain AI or Shutterstock. We can first click play, then apply. And assets. Let's open here. We can upload image or video, or we can record our screen. Also can see upload assets here and snaps. And for me, it's called shapes. We can add all shape elements or this arrow on video and interactions. We can add some quiz and interactions on video. We can control colors, text, font size and more. So for other settings, let's choose scene 1 and click these icons. We can edit transitions or we move to right or move to left and duplicate scene, see ending scene and delete scene. And also we have some tools here. We can add emoji, personal tag and other features. So we can click preview or publish template and the last one export. Let's click export and choose here language English, video quality full HD and click export. Okay, after exporting I will access video here. Welcome, today we will explore how to become a professional motion designer. Start with fundamentals of design, color, typography, and animation principles and practice regularly. So guys, time to use product avatar. Let's click and this is beta feature. So interface is very user friendly. We can upload here product image and here we can choose already avatar or we can upload image. Let's first upload image. So choose keyboard and open. And avatar, I will use avatar presets. I want to choose gamer style avatar and let's back to here. Okay, this character is better, Keita. Let's choose and click generate. So generate results here and very cool results. We can see character holding on hand this keyboard and also you can click refresh for change another versions and script. Let's paste here my script. Hello my dear gamer friends, I bought the keyboard and it's amazing and I will use this text for this character. Also we can change voice here. We can choose here a huge voicing library. So if alright, click this button for create video.
Hello my dear gamer friends, I just bought the keyboard and it is amazing. You will be able to play Valorant and Call of Duty games with this keyboard more comfortably and professionally. I recommend it to everyone.
Okay, results is perfect and let's try AI dubbing. Let's click here and we can do video dubbing or audio dubbing. I will choose video dubbing and next. So we can upload video here or we can paste here URL from YouTube. Let's click upload video and click here for choose video. Select video file and open. So options, original language. Let's choose here English and target language. Let's choose here, for example, Spanish. Okay, also we can upload here SRT files and we can add here new brand, advanced options, AI premium lip sync, dynamic duration, remove background, add subtitles. I will keep only AI premium lip sync and export. Let's click export and waiting for results. Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show how to use AIstudios.com. Let's get started.
Hola, chicos. Bienvenidos al video. Hoy les muestro cómo usar AIstudios.com. Empecemos.
So guys, also let's try upload with RLA. Let's click here and let's go to my YouTube channel, search here vlog and choose this vlog, 8 minutes. Let's copy and paste here link. So we can see options, original language. Let's choose here Azerbaijan. Okay, this main language is Azerbaijani and target language English. Let's choose USA. Okay, and again let's keep this AI premium lip sync and click export button. So after exporting we can see our dubbing video is here. Let's open and we can click view video or we can get this video in our computer.
Tag koymadan, hiçbir sərhədlər olmadan bütün bildiklərimi hamıyla paylaşacağım və 100.000 abunə.
I will share everything I know with everyone, without making any distinctions and without any boundaries.
So guys, AIstudios.com is very perfect choice for YouTubers, for educators and video editing persons. And I will add all links on the description below. You can check out now. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, leave comments and have a good day. Good luck!